Fender Japan Jazzmaster has something going on. What could it be? Let's find out. Okay, here's the big reveal. What kind of goodies did they leave us? It's not this. This is quiet. And I don't see anything in there. Do you guys? Is the rattle still there? Yep, still there. Must be in here somewhere. Okay. Well then, let's put this back. Let's put it back the right way. And then we'll open up the other cavities. Lovely. What could the noise be? I like this game. I'm pretty good at it. Okay, here I thought this was going to be a quick video. All right, let's see what's going on here now. Let me get a little bin to put all the bits. All right, all right. What's up, Gertie? Hi, baby. Good girl. Gertie's a big fan of the Jazzmaster platform. So it's no surprise that she's kind of waiting at my heels till I get this strung up, because she's probably going to want to take it for a test drive. All right, here we go. One more. I think one more. Do these actually hold it down, or do they hold brackets? Nope, they're holding the brackets for the pots there. Okay, Let's see if we can see anything. Oh, I see what it is. Can you guys see it? There it is. Let's get in there and get it. Shazam. That's what's making the noise. Ka-chow. All right. You know, while we're in here, we're going to put a new set of pickups in. So, not the worst thing to happen. Not the worst timing. All right. Thanks for joining us. Peace out.